the possibility of reversing Alzheimer's. These mice actually, their brain functions came back, which has got many scientists quite surprised by that, because how does loss of memory come back? Well, it says that maybe Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia might not be loss of the memory. It might be just loss of access to the memory. And so lengthening telomeres might restore access to the memory and bring some of our Alzheimer's patients and friends back. And that would be absolutely fantastic. And so I'm going to be talking about a clinical study coming up pretty soon, and I'm going to tell you Alzheimer's is the #1 focus of that study. Okay, so let me talk about gene therapy. It has extended lifespan and health span of human cells grown in a petri dish. We did this, I want to say 20 years ago, using gene therapy, but using gene therapy techniques that are nowhere near as safe and as safe as they are now. Back then, we didn't treat people 20 years ago just because the gene therapy itself was too harmful to human cells. But we were able to do the studies back then, at least show that proof of concept that delivering telomerase to a human cell actually extends its lifespan and health span, and actually reversed it in every way imaginable. Then Dr. Walter Funk, who worked with me at Geron Corporation after I left Geron to start my company, Sierra Sciences, he did a study where he actually treated human skin that was grown on the back of a mouse with telomerase, and showed that it reversed aging and decline in health, again, in every way imaginable. The reason he had to do human skin on the back of a mouse is because the FDA would have never allowed to actually treat human skin on humans. So, but this was a pretty exciting study. Human skin that was old became young again in every way imaginable. Then, as I already showed in this Diane Sawyer video, Dr. Ron DePinel reversed aging and declining health in old mice. And he said, you just heard him say, it was a remarkable reversal of the aging process. And then lastly, again, Dr. Ron DePinel, in further studies, which I didn't show, showed that some of the other theories on what causes aging, like oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction, those got reversed by lengthening the telomeres, which is saying that maybe telomeres are the kingpin of aging. And that's what Dr. Ron DePinel actually published, that telomeres are the kingpin of aging. I should point out, Dr. Ron DePinel is a cancer scientist. His goal was to actually study whether or not these mice got cancer. But he found that they didn't get cancer, and actually got a decreased risk of cancer. Maria Blasco has done similar experiments and got the same result. Lengthening telomeres decreases the risk of cancer.